The role of particle accelerators in revolutionary scientific discoveries. Imagine a machine so powerful it can recreate the conditions of the Big Bang, unravel the mysteries of dark matter, and even help in curing cancer. Welcome to the world of particle accelerators, the engines of modern scientific breakthroughs. How do these machines shape the future of science? Let's explore. A particle accelerator is a machine that speeds up subatomic particles, like electrons or protons, to nearly the speed of light. Then, it smashes them together to uncover the fundamental building blocks of nature. These machines are essential tools for modern physics. Particle accelerators use powerful electric and magnetic fields to propel particles inside a vacuum tube. The collisions reveal new particles, helping scientists study the fundamental forces of the universe. It's like a high-speed demolition derby for atoms. The Large Hadron Collider, LHC, is the world's biggest particle accelerator. It's buried 100 meters underground and stretches 27 kilometers across. This massive machine allows scientists to probe the deepest secrets of the cosmos. Particle accelerators have been instrumental in some of the most significant scientific discoveries of the past century. Let's delve into a few key examples. The Higgs boson is the fundamental particle that gives mass to everything. Without it, the universe as we know it wouldn't exist. It's a cornerstone of the Standard Model of particle physics. In 2012, CERN scientists confirmed its existence, solving a major puzzle in physics. This groundbreaking discovery earned them the Nobel Prize in 2013. It was a triumph of human ingenuity and international collaboration. The LHC helps recreate conditions from 13.8 billion years ago, just moments after the Big Bang. This allows scientists to study the universe's earliest moments. By smashing particles at ultra-high speeds, the LHC mimics the early universe's high-energy conditions. This provides insights into how matter formed and the evolution of the universe. It's like stepping back in time to witness creation. 85% of the universe is made of dark matter, but we can't see it. This mysterious substance exerts gravitational effects, but doesn't interact with light. Scientists use particle accelerators to create high-energy collisions to study possible dark matter particles. If found, this could revolutionize cosmology and astrophysics. Unlocking the secrets of dark matter could rewrite our understanding of the cosmos. Particle accelerators aren't just for fundamental research. They also have numerous practical applications that impact our daily lives. Proton accelerators deliver highly precise radiation beams to destroy cancer cells without harming healthy tissues. This targeted approach minimizes side effects. Proton therapy is used in specialized centers worldwide to treat tumors more effectively. It offers a promising alternative to traditional radiation therapy. Accelerators help produce radioactive isotopes used in PET scans for diagnosing diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. These scans provide detailed images of the body's internal functions. Electron accelerators are used to sterilize food and medical equipment to eliminate bacteria. This ensures safety and extends shelf life. They are also used in chip manufacturing for smartphones and computers. Particle accelerators play a crucial role in the technology we rely on every day. The future of particle accelerators is bright, with plans for even more powerful machines that promise to unlock further secrets of the universe. The Future Circular Collider, FCC, will be 4 times larger than the LHC, allowing even more discoveries. This ambitious project aims to push the boundaries of particle physics. China's Super Collider is expected to generate higher energy collisions, potentially revealing new particles and phenomena. This will further advance our understanding of the fundamental laws of nature. AI will enhance research efficiency, reducing the time for discoveries. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast data sets and identify patterns that would be impossible for humans to detect. From uncovering the Higgs boson to improving medical treatments, particle accelerators have shaped the modern world. And as technology advances, they may even help us understand the mysteries of dark matter and the origins of the universe. What do you think the next great discovery will be? Comment below. Like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing science content.